As a company, we realized that only 25% of beverage bottles were being recycled, and we decided we wanted to take part and try and make a difference and help increase that recycling rate. So one of the things we did as a company is we introduced this brand here, which is Resource. It has 25% recycled plastic within the bottle. And in addition to that, we really wanted to create a movement where we could educate people on the importance of recycling, because we think that right now, the more people who know about it and that realize that a small change can make a big difference, the more people will get out there and recycle. As a company, we made a commitment that we would increase recycling rates to 60% by the year 2018. And one way we thought we could do that was through a partnership with GreenOps. We realized we couldn't do it alone. And GreenOps has built these recycling stations, which they put in stores like this one. And we are together hoping that we can encourage people to bring their bottles back, to make a difference one bottle at a time, by offering an additional location where people can recycle.
When people start understanding that plastic's a precious resource, then I think we change the paradigm. And that's what we're trying to do with this system, because in addition to the physical capture, we've got a digital presence called Greenopolis. And on Greenopolis, what we do is we encourage consumers to go there and learn more about it. We encourage consumers to blog. We give consumers rewards points. Here in the US, we have the zip codes. Well, we can have consumers go in by zip code and we can give them, a half-off meal or a free meal at a restaurant in their local community for recycling, because the material is a valuable material.
When you think about recycling, as a company, we're taking this to a whole new level. And from a whole food standpoint and a consumer standpoint, it's actually taking recycling a bit further and recapturing these bottles and products that we are putting into the machines and being able to track them, which is huge for the customer.
Meetings with Anthony have been fantastic, and actually meetings with all of our vested partners have been fantastic. I think it's very rare when you can find people like ourselves, even though we work in big companies or we don't come from big companies, we all have the same passion to actually make a difference and to do something. And the fact that we were able to come together, even though we come from different backgrounds, different walks of life, businesses are different business models, but we felt that this was a really important need, and we realized we couldn't do it alone. So there's a lot of entrepreneurship when we get together. There's a lot of motivation, a lot of passion, and we're really excited that we were able to come together and make this work.